Oops, he must have taken advantage of some weaknesses in the store security system. Who's the big boss? Now you see.
You popped it!
When toxic boyfriends get control of you. Fair to say, we can learn a lot from animals. Never have I ever seen a thick-faced robber like this. Call the animal police, please.
I got good pictures of him with the flowers and stuff. Hey Gary, how you doing?
Huh?
Making yourself busy so your human doesn't think about getting you a job.
Don't. No. No. Hot. Hot. No. Hey, Stella.
Hello?
Don't let this welcoming words entice you. After this, they'll let you see their true colors. Finding the car key after Sunday off is like...
Say I love you.
Stay off the counters. Don't break anything. You haven't realized yet that this is my house now. This is my stuff. I'll freaking break you.
When your car is accidentally turned into a public transport for this passenger. Get bored of being a dog, so today he's in cat mode.
1, 2, 3, go!
Not a word said, but the power's intense.
Not allowed to sit on the table, so this cat sits on the chair while climbing on the table. Rule unviolated.
Enjoying free services knowing you don't have to pay a penny for it.
Namaste. Good. Namaste karo. Namaste. Namaste.
It's a good day to lead your gang to break into an adult's home.
According to the kitty, let me show you how it's done. That's not how to drink water, kitty.
Kevin. Смелый парень. Терпеливая Мила. Ну, как видите, вот она немножко встала.
A visual representation of how capitalism exploits us at work, but we still choose to stay. Just kidding. This parrot must think this pair of glasses is a tree branch, which he often climbs on.
Yeah, it's gonna get it.
Uh-oh. Got the money.
It can smell the money.
They got it. You got a video?
Yeah, I did.
You can fool a parrot in a few minutes, because if they realize it's fake, they're no longer interested. Seems like we've got a legend in the making.
When you've been waiting in the traffic jam for too long, and you just started to lose it.
This is actually a love-hate relationship.
Dale, Tomás. 3, 2, 1. ¡El perro!
Nibbling his mum's tail shows safety and affection. It's easy to understand now.
Nom 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 nom.
No, cat, don't ever think about breaking that vase any more times. For your information, once your cat likes something, you can't say no.
The master thief was secretly hiding his true treasures, but suddenly got caught. Cats are crazy about holes. Even if the hole doesn't fit, they'll sit.
As if the job isn't hard enough, cat's thinking.
Zig, do you want to go to the beach?
Time to sit, yeah?
Her eating makes it look delicious.
He'd been counting down the days for this wonderful moment, and it finally came.
When dogs are around goats for too long, fainting syndrome has spread to them.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Nothing. Me? Just hanging around.
What do you have? Oh, the toothpaste.
Nina, I cannot really work with your tail there. Will you understand? Personal space! Don't do that face, baby.
It's time you know you should shine bright.
Having to solve a maze while eating still can't slow him down, because he's a pro.
Hello, how are you? I am under the water. Please help me. Here too much.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Like a real guest, come, enjoy the meal, and leave.
the most brilliant way to distract your doggo from the fear of nail clipping. Point of view when you have a spoiled dog.
No, you just sit here and say that my daughter looks miserable, so maybe we should put Kalani in her place.
That desk mate when they finally learn a trick with their pencil. When do we have a golf assistant?
Well, what does that cat do?
여기네. 뭐야, 얘.
Showing all the swimming positions he knows so far, only to realize that it's not a pool. Pressures when your enemies are too many and you're on your own. This silly cat is such a true photobomb. He's like, did someone say cheese? Where is it? Trying to look cool until you see your best buddy.
Oh my god, what is that?
If sarcasm's a fish, definitely it'll be this one.
Love you.
Take it easy. There's always enough love and kisses for everyone.
I love you.
Nope. Nope.
Let's see, she'll choose to be good cat or a bad one. Oh well, we have the answer now.
Did your friend come to see you?
Seeing your bigger reflection through the glass is kind of motivating. Does Lufa look a bit strange? Shouldn't it be as fluffy as you, Kitty?
What are you doing?
There's no such thing called personal space to a cat, even when it's in your head.
Dude, get off my head, dude.
Okay, so this is how penguins go down. cat will have you at hello. Welcome to Purrbucks. May I take your order?
What the?
Huh?
How my bestie and I spend a day outside and it looks like.
We all have that one friend behaving like this socially.
Oh, dude, they're putting him so he can see. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Did you just eat an entire carton of eggs?
And the Oscar goes to...
Watch until the end, and we'll realize cats embarrass themselves sometimes, being clumsy, silly cats, but they're not ashamed.
full of energy but have no idea where to put it into. Grandpa must have had a great outing day since his buddy's a dog.
You can't have her socks. Bro, no. Bro! They're on her toes! Come on, dude! Echo, please. Thank you. These don't belong to you. No.
A VIP customer has her nails done by the top manicurist at the top beauty salon.
This actually sums up when I'm at home alone and try to make a crazy idea come true.
My roommate rescued a dog from a kill shelter. But I think she rescued the most Velcro dog known to man.
The door is clearly for show, when this is how a cow could open it easily. This looks like a kindergarten lesson, but the difference here is your student's a seal.
Bruh.
Kindergartners, when they're taught how to sit. Thank you guys for following. Have a nice day.
pay attention when you're right in front of my screen. Why are you standing in front of my screen?
When your friends know you're home and not going out with them on weekends is like. Try to find a reason to get mad at them. I think you'll find none.
They come running. Like, how am I supposed to not get out and pet their faces? What would you do? Like, how do you do this? These are my friends.
Hi. Good morning. Good morning. Oh, wow. Good morning. Good morning, Season 1. Good morning. Don't bite me.
Oh, this is the first time I've seen an unpaid flight passenger. Being enticed online by a cat in the bed? That sounds possible. Gen Z when they get used to child rearing.
Play dad, but is too excited because someone was pranked.
First day at work, but having no clue what you need to do. Being a menace must be her part-time job, besides being a cute tiny puppy. Everyone's happy, except for the one who loses his parents.
Oh my god. Is his pants on? Oh my god.
The moment he heard the love of his life told his friends that he was overweight.
As little as she seems, she carries a sassy attitude and brings it to every place and corner.
This genius just invented a whole new game for his own.
It's all for making ends meet, otherwise you never see him there.
What did you do? We were gone for 2 hours.
I'm not allowed. I know I'm not allowed. I've done it now. Too bleeding late.
Who knows you can do if you never try? He just proves it with his mouth.
Alright, here's my cat. Do the thing, you know, with the likes and the shares, and make my cat famous.
Look at this orange cat. He's on a wild, wild ride. Oh, in your face, cat kitty. Serves it.
Bruh.
An example of instant regret is right here. You can't take back what you've done.
Because that's where the puppy finds peace of his mind. A magician will never reveal his tricks. That must be an accident.
This time she can't escape because the evidence is in her hand. That prophet you see online doing their psychic stuff on Monday mornings like.
Yoga or dream time. For this cat, it's a flexible lifestyle. A day off in the animal kingdom's not so different from humans. Welcome new neighbors with cookies is what a nice guy should do.
Oh, thank you so much. You brought us cookies. You brought us some cookies.
You spy on them, but being spied on instead.
Curiosity didn't kill anyone, but it made the cat fall. Oops.
He's chasing around. Closer.
Uh-oh, what happened today?
Turn around, man. She's catching you. Hurry.
Go get your toy!
Might be crazy to have beach police, but if this happens too often, we might have to take action.
Pra que fez isso, Janete?
The punishment for guilty dogs is bury them in their own mess.
Welcome back to Sleep Well 101, where our sleep guru cat is gonna teach us the art of snoozing while sitting. If you meet kangaroos in the library, keep a safe distance and don't bother them.
You just know Gordons are excited when they do their dance like this.
The light. Right here. Hold it still. You're not a very good helper.
Are you mad?
Capta.
Looks like we have a man who's ready to be a dad here.
Can't see the price tag, but we all know this kitty is priceless, because some things are beyond measure. When you've been getting so used to becoming the clown in front of your whole class.
You can say he's the leader of his pack.
Just one time of being clumsy, and now he's become the clown to your human.
Do you need help?
When your cutesy tail and butts speak on behalf of you. When life gets dull, we can always have a bathroom dance-off with your kitty. It's a showdown. This cat's like, good job, buddy. High five for cleanliness.
Hello. What?
Hey Kumpel, das ist keine Katzenmilch. Das ist meine Ey, das ist Wein, Schatz. Nee, den kannst du nicht haben. Das geht nicht.
Life of the Middle Region households when it's flooding season.
I'm a snake. I'm a snake. I'm a snake. I'm a slithery little sneaky snake.
Being caught red-handed at its finest.
The spy of the animal kingdom. Dogs, cats, trash pandas can deal with them all. What an awkward encounter. When you told your bestie you were busy, but you met her at the mall. Awkward. Mission of orange cats is to cause trouble.
Who says this is a backwards video? Sounds possible.
Okay, somebody's fucked. Oh.
Not a quitter, not a follower. This cat will fit into the bowl. He's proving there's always room for cuteness. Wanting to show off with your girlfriend but slipped and the end is embarrassing. Oh, it feels like light as a feather if I can see it with my own eyes.
Sorry.
You ready? Go.
Douchebag. Hey, Beaker. You're at it again. Can you? Ow, mother. And your brother too? Like, what is he here for? Moral support?
Do you want this? Do you want this? You want it? Say yes. Say yes. You want it? Yeah? You want it?
What a cooperative cat he is. We all know cats love doing pranks, and this cat will open the bathroom door for a surprise.
Really, Frankie? Really, dude? Really? Do you have anything to say for yourself there, Frankie?
Okay, sit. Good boy.
Dads must be the ones who train their girls to become a little gangster gang.
Yeah, she's going the same pace.
Guess who's curious why the owner keeps a little son inside their house? Oopsie! Never imagining a mouse ringing your house? Think again, friend.
Look at her. She's on the...
Showing off his skateboard skills, then the bush suddenly appeared from nowhere. Enjoying your company is truly the maximum level of mindfulness. Walk, walk. Oh, new slippers. Even though it doesn't fit, the cat's still positive.
No!
Who thought they could make such a good bond together?
Okay. Well, that's
Mr. Furry just enrolled in Camouflage 101 and already aced the jump into a bush level.
What are you doing, Poppy?
Acting like you're abandoned and starving is so doggo.
Can't have 1 second of peace if it's your sibling.
So yummy.
Stop playing, woman. I'm in the top of the food chain. Don't you ever do such a thing. He's cute, but he's also a grumpy host cat. Can't blame him, because it's his cardboard castle, his rules.
The goats are like, hey girl, we just want to play.
后一根啊？啊，这是你的，是不是？
Nope.
Well, I don't know. I guess so. Please.
Don't leave me. I'll always protect you.
When you finally meet that friend that you've been dreaming of.
Hello, sir. Your bonsai package is $1,000 since there's a cat in it.
Hello.
我哪呀？
找着。
零点。
哎。
Is this exhausting to look cutesy all the time?
Door. Get away from that door. Get away from that door, you understand? Don't you ever dare think about coming in. You hear me, good boy?
All right, show us how you go down the stairs.
Looks like she's ordered something off Amazon for herself.
You want a stretchy?
You're swimming. Oh my goodness.
Steven! I thought you were dead!
The calm face makes sense. He doesn't regret anything. Thanks for watching. See you guys again.